Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode. Okay, so today this is not our weekly forecast. This is just something I saw on Bitcoin. That's the crypto market, and I just felt the need to share. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. I've been having issues with my connection and my mic, so I just hope this doesn't mess this video up or this recording I'm having right now. So basically, the purpose of recording this video is just to show you guys what I'm expecting. All right, guys. So I guess for backup, I just hope this my connection doesn't mess with this recording, and my mic doesn't also. Okay, I guess for backup, I was saying I hope I don't this connection doesn't mess with our recording and what we are doing for today. So today I want to just look into the crypto market. But before I jump into the crypto market, I want to just give a quick recap from what just happened last week. So quickly, this is Euro USD. Among all the pairs I analyzed that's last week. This was one of the pairs we analyzed, and you guys can see how it went. We sold to this region, which I was expecting us to sell into this region. But now, price when I saw this price going already, we missed. I got stopped out by spread from this place, yes. So I was looking forward to re-enter when price come back up here, sell it down. But then this was a missed trade that I had last week. And yeah, for me, I like to analyze my pairs and just go back, look at the mistakes I had and the losses I had, and know why I made those mistakes and what can be done moving forward. So, what would I be expecting Euro USD to do? I want to see Euro USD still sell to this region, sweeping out to fill up completely this imbalance here, like, and take out uh and take out uh, weekly reversals, right? I want to see potential weekly reversals at the end of this week, meaning from market open, maybe from Monday. I want to see us do something like this, right? And start reversing. Yes, that's what I'm expecting to see. I'll take out this one. So I'll give a proper video on this, but I just wanted touching on this quickly before I jump into the crypto market. So now let's go into crypto market. Let's go into the reason why we're here today. So uh, while we're looking forward to jump into this market already, or rather to analyze this market, this pair together, I want you to please take out 5 seconds and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on post notification so you don't miss out whenever I'm posting a video. Please take out 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, guys, quick one. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, this is your boy Echo speaking. So, what am I expecting to see from the crypto market? I'm really sorry about that, guys. So, I was saying I had connection issues, so I got disconnected. I just hope my mic is on, working perfectly. So, I'll have to make this video very snappy so the service around here and the network around here doesn't mess things up for me, for us. So I'm shooting this video right now, 16th March 2024, and I want to share my bias and my opinion about the cryptocurrency. What am I expecting? What's really happening? All right, so guys, we all know we're having crypto halving in this year, I guess April or June, thereabout. I can't really remember the date exactly, but this year, right? And I've been saying it since last year that we are bullish in 2024. I said it since last year, since 2 years back. I said it, and I told my inner circle, which well, I guess I can't verbally say this is the day we've been waiting for. But now, not to make this story too long and everything, this video too bulky. What am I expecting? Now I'm expecting Bitcoin to fall down to 30K, 29K region, 30K region. Yeah. I'm expecting Bitcoin to fall to around 29K region, right? To 29K region and around this region and start buying. Now, I'll explain why I said so because now for several reasons, right? A lot of people have been bullish. A lot of people have been bullish. A lot of people has been bullish, sorry, right? And now this thing happened just like magic. We got to this point, little retracement, boom, came back here, boom, came back here, boom. And now we were coming back to this point. What's next? I want to see us crash down to 29K or 30K region. Reason because everybody at this point, everybody at this point is everybody at this point is bullish, and the same repeat we had in 20, same repeat we had in 2021, yeah, this period, right? Same repeat we had in 2021. Everybody was bullish at this point, and we crashed. That's what we're having here. Because everybody is saying to the moon, Bitcoin to the moon, Bitcoin is the future. And this is that day I'm waiting for. Remember my principle, right? That whenever everybody is saying buy, take a seat, relax, get a bottle of drink, a bottle of soda, relax, take your money off the market and have money to buy back at good price. At this point, I would say you guys should take partials at this point and wait for the pullback and buy. Now, when you get to this point, right, a lot of people will become very fearful in the market because they will be thinking after they bought here, thinking that Bitcoin to the moon and Bitcoin crashes to this point, people will think that, okay, Bitcoin is still going to continue crashing till probably crypto market die. But I'll tell you, Bitcoin is not going to just, once it gets to this point, boom, for the halving, well, we need to see a major drop. We need to see a major drop before this halving or crypto halving, sorry. We need to see a major drop before the crypto halving. So I'm expecting to see more sell-offs to around 29K region before we buy. Another reason I would want to, let me see. If you guys look very well, you will see we have liquidity resting above around this region. Okay, see, let's just see. This is if Bitcoin should crash to this point, right? Come back down. This point should be 29 region, yes. And boom. Well, since we broke out of this zone, we've not had a major pullback, and I'm expecting to see that pullback at this point before we start shooting back up, right? Before we start going, and yeah, we can now say we are fully bullish. So for me, I'm not buying Bitcoin for now. I'll be looking to sell at this point, to this point rather, and start buying back. Not to make this video bulky, we're going to chill here for now because we're having several challenges, but I just saw this thing and I felt the need to post it out here for reference purposes, and also for anybody watching this video and deem it fit to actually find the necessary information I'll be sharing. You guys know I always share my information and my bias when it comes to the financial market. Although I'm not a financial advisor, so whatever advice or whatever I'm putting out here is not financial advice, it's just my personal bias. Do with it what you wish. Prefer you use a pinch of salt to dilute whatever information you get from this channel, because I'm not licensed to give financial advice. So guys, I don't want to make this video, like I said, bulky. I'm going to end this video right now here. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Feel free to join my Telegram channel, all for free. I call out cryptocurrency signals, forex signals, And I look forward to calling out synthetic indices or whatever indices very soon this year, or we take it one step at a time. The purpose of this whole thing is just to grow a community of profitable traders all around the world. And this cannot be achieved without your help. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's hit 1K subscribers this year. And we'll be going live often in YouTube. So you already know, guys. Echo is active. Peace out.